Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Apple AirPods wireless earbuds. These earbuds comes in a nice small case that is rechargeable. You can plug in the cord directly into the case to charge them in the case. You can see the green light there saying that they're fully charged. They stick right in there and they're fits well into your ear, and they have real good sound quality. They connect beautifully to your Apple phone or any Apple device, or it doesn't even have to be an Apple device. A Bluetooth device you could still get them connected to as well. See, the cable just plugs into the bottom here and you just charge them there in the case. I'm going to put in my ears so you can see how well they fit as well. As you can see here, they fit nicely in the ear and they don't fall out. Shake my head a bit and they stay in pretty tight. So I hope this review helps.